I believe in the last couple of years we're seeing the triumphant return of the facelift. And the reason for that is people have been talking on and on for the last 5 years or more about non-surgical facelifts, but as far as I'm concerned, it's just like the unicorn, it doesn't exist. Look, we use the non-surgical methods all the time in our practice, but we don't pretend to our patients that the non-surgical methods are going to in any way create the effect that you could get with a facelift. People talk about, for example, filler face, where, in trying to lift a face, you just over-volumize it to the point where the face looks strange. It doesn't look like the person, and sometimes it doesn't even move naturally. With facelifting, you're addressing a couple of things. Part of it is a change in the tone of the skin, but that's only part of the issue because it's also a descent of the deeper structures. Once the deeper structures descend, I don't know anything that brings them up properly. And if you try to correct it just by pulling on skin or tightening skin externally, you're not going to get a good result. Facelifts, when done well, for most people are going to last somewhere in the range of 8 to 12 years, assuming the person hasn't been out in the sun or gone through a huge cycling of weight, in which case I think they generally don't last as long. Also, quite frankly, economically, people will spend thousands of dollars a year on non-surgical methods and never approach the result they can get with a facelift, so that even from an economical standpoint, if you really look at it over time, the facelift is actually the most cost-effective procedure.